Once you have added a form onto the web page, click on the form. A menu will appear above it. Click on the Settings icon. Inside of the Form Settings window, scroll down to Connect to Email Marketing. Then click on Select Lists. In the Select Lists window, select the list you wish the subscriber to be added to once they fill in and submit the form. Then click Confirm. Select Enable Double Opt-in if you want the subscriber to receive an email to confirm their email address.